Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Amanda, and I am so excited for today's video, you guys. I'm going to be reviewing a gorgeous, gorgeous ring from Tiger Gems, and I haven't seen it yet. But I know it's gonna be gorgeous because I've heard amazing things about her company. The company name is Tiger Gems. The company owner is Tabitha, and she has been nothing but the sweetest angel I've ever worked with any company I've worked for or worked with. She's amazing. She's so sweet. She's so caring. One thing I really love about Tiger Gems is that it's all women owned. It's a woman business, which I really appreciate. I really admire that. They're rated the top conflict-free diamond in the US. I don't know if it has to do with the cut or the quality or what exactly, but they're like #1, you guys. So I was honored that she wanted to work with me. I'm honored that she accepted my request because I have just been dying to get my hands on some conflict-free diamonds. So with that being said, I want to just tell you guys a little bit of backstory with the company. So all of the jewelry that she has in her shop is 100% conflict-free, which means they're not real diamonds, but they look amazing. What I've heard is that everything looks beyond real. You will get them confused between a real diamond and then this conflict-free diamond. You will get them mixed up. So super excited about that. I already mentioned that they're woman-owned, which I really love. They're also based in the US, which is really awesome. I know she has the shop in California, which is really close to me. I'm in Oregon, she's in California, so it's just really convenient for me when I want more jewelry. It's not just engagement rings. It's she has earrings and necklaces and bracelets and stackable wedding bands, so all the things. So don't just feel like you have to shop for engagement rings here. I am actually going to be using this ring as my upgrade. I have been kind of keeping my eye on some things I liked. For my upgrade, I knew that I wanted something kind of bigger, something more blingy, something kind of more like me. And I knew that I wanted a conflict-free diamond. I've wanted a conflict-free diamond for a while now. My last ring is actually a moissanite, and I plan to compare the two. Moissanites are pretty similar to diamonds as well. They're their own gemstone. They have twice the amount of fire, but they do kind of have more of a rainbow disco ball effect, if you will, versus these where it's like a diamond simulant. It's the exact same as a diamond, just man-made and not mined, which it's cool in its own way. But I was really excited about this one because I get to wear this one now as an upgrade to my wedding set. So super excited about that. They do also have free US shipping and returns on all their items. They're 100% satisfaction guaranteed, which is something that I also really love. Tabitha, when I say she, it's Tabitha. Tabitha goes to the ends of the earth to make sure that everyone loves the product, everyone's happy with the product. So that's something I stand behind. So I will continue to keep buying jewelry from her because of all of the great things and her great customer service. So with that being said, I'm just gonna jump into the unboxing. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I've been holding on to this for so long. I wanted to do an unboxing, but I didn't have time right away. So I've just been dying because I've just been so excited. But okay, so make sure you guys can see this. Oh my gosh, a little card. Oh my gosh, my ring's in there, you guys. My ring's in there. I'm so excited. Okay. They are handmade with love. I love that she makes all of her pieces. I think that's so sweet. They have their happiness guarantee on this little paper, and I'm going to read it for you guys. Our #1 priority is your satisfaction, and we stand behind our products 100% with a 100% happiness guarantee. If there's anything we can do to make your experience more enjoyable, please contact us. Their email below. Thank you for your business. We appreciate it. And then a little note here on how to care for your jewelry. I don't need to read that. You guys will get this little card in yours as well when you order from her shop. Oh, and there's also, that's really cool. So it, on the back, it tells you how to get 15% off your next purchase, which I will definitely be taking advantage of this because I already know I'm going to love it. So, okay. So, and here is oh my gosh. You guys, I am such a detail person. I love little fine details and fine things like that. And there is a tiny little heart in here. That seriously is so sweet. And that's it's the little things, you guys. That's the cutest thing ever. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is the softest suede I have ever felt. Oh, she did tell me something about her suede bag. She mentioned that she chooses the highest quality suede, and this, you can use this to wipe down your jewelry when you're like out of town or something. Or, I mean, I use it when I'm at my house, but I mean, I would use it when I'm at my house just all the time, but it's like the highest quality suede to keep your jewelry looking amazing all year round, all the time. And I love how it has the name of the company on there. So cute. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my gosh. How beautiful. I don't even know how I'm going to show you guys. I'll put it on my pointer finger. How beautiful is this? I want to get it like as close up as I can. Oh my gosh, you guys. I hope the camera's picking up all the sparkle. I have never, oh my gosh. I have never seen a ring this beautiful in my entire life. And I have seen a lot of real diamonds, and I've seen tons of different gems and moissanite and all the things. This is by far the most beautiful diamond, conflict-free diamond, any diamond in general that I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. Like, I want to insert some different shots of different lighting with this ring so you guys can get the full effect. It keeps going sideways. How gorgeous. Oh my gosh. How beautiful is that? I am seriously obsessed. I will be linking this ring down below, but this is a 3-carat oval diamond, and the band is rose gold. Like, hoping you guys can see that. The band is rose gold. It is seriously gorgeous. I'm just blown away right now. This is amazing. Yeah, I'm not surprised when they say that she makes the #1 quality diamond stubulance conflict-free diamonds in the US. I am blown away. This is amazing. Alright guys, that concludes my review of Tiger Gemstones. Thank you so much, Tabitha, for sending me this gorgeous, gorgeous ring. I am so blessed to be able to wear it every single day as my actual wedding ring. So I love that. Thank you again. And thank you guys so much for watching. And also, if you guys want to get your hands on some of these gorgeous diamonds, please feel free to use my code amanda.claypool. There's no spaces, just amanda.claypool for a little discount when you check out at Tiger Gems. And I will be linking everything down below along with their website and along with this ring if you guys would like to see it in real life, get your hands on it. It will be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please stay tuned for the end of the video where I show you guys how gorgeous this ring is in all different times of the day and different lighting.
you.